Welcome to the MTD 203 Inventory Management Overview. As I'm sure you're aware, Pepsi Global Template is the largest information deployment that the company has ever overtaken. As you can see, the scope for Make to Deploy covers quality management, inventory management, production planning, production execution, and warehouse operations. And the aspect that we are looking at in this video is inventory management. The key capability summary for inventory management is that in the future, it will provide us with accurate inventory, which means we'll have the right inventory in the right place at the right time. It will simplify inbound logistics, provide us with strategic inventory management information, and also has a range of embedded analytics that come with it. There are some new terms that we'll need to become aware of, and I've highlighted the key ones. So inventory management, it provides the support to manage and process material movements for basic warehouse operations that do not have their own integrated warehouse management system. IM will be utilized where EWM, which is the extended warehouse management system, is not in place. In the past, where we've used IWTs, which is an inter-warehouse transfer, the new terms, and it's exactly the same thing, is a stock transport order. And this is a transfer of material from one plant to another. Batch management will be a key part of IM and EWM, and a batch is a unique unit of stock which is moved around the system. On the back of this, each product will have a new batch master code. And I'm sure you're familiar with the old batch managements, but in future, it's a 10-digit number, and it will have a single digit for the current year, the Julian date that the product was produced on, the plant code where it was produced, in this case 5023, which would be Skelmersdale, and the last two digits are the production line that it was produced on. Some of the key changes with the introduction of the inventory management process are communications between warehouse operations and order management, which will drive much more efficient outbound processing. As I've just alluded to, batch management will be active throughout the logistics process. There will be real-time analytics on stock value, quantity and movement, which will allow for efficient drill down of material document items, enabling greater insight and quicker resolution into issues. Quality is integrated throughout the logistics process, resulting in standard adherence to PepsiCo quality management policy. There will be the generation of advanced shipping notices to provide an overview of incoming shipments from suppliers, which will allow for much more efficient planning and inbound processing, and the use of continuous cycle counting, which will improve our accuracy for stock and our accuracy of our stock valuation.